Right now, in this segment, we're talking about when Venus is in Pisces. Oh my goodness. The sign of beauty and love, and art, music. In Pisces, the dreamer, the one who is divinely inspired. So let's just start with Venus and love, okay? We could do probably an hour on that alone, but we'll keep it short. With Venus, when Venus is in Pisces, you have love expressing itself either as divine inspiration, which makes it difficult to deal with earthlings because they can't possibly compete with your dream, Pisces, of love, Venus. Or you're dealing with escape. Now, Pisces is ruled by Jupiter, which is abundance, and Neptune, which is divine inspiration or escape. And what are escapes? Alcohol, nicotine, caffeine, drugs of any sort, including medication. Anything you use as an escape. I had a dear friend once who could lose herself in a book. And it didn't matter. She could be at a baseball game. And if she had a book, she was gone. And I often marveled at that because I'll get sidetracked by everything going on around me. Venus in Pisces has a concept of love that is so elusive and so magnificent that reality can't compete. It can't even deliver most of the time. And as a result, Venus in Pisces tends to put love on a pedestal. They tend to put the person they are attracted to on a pedestal. Well, if you put somebody on a pedestal, you know where this is going to go, don't you? They're up there. And there's not room for a whole bunch of moving around on a pedestal. And the only direction they can fall is down. And Pisces becomes absolutely depressed when that happens, understandably, because they have built up that person to be larger than life, greater than life. And what happens is we find that most people have feet of clay. We're people, we're earthlings. We came here in spirit, in an earthbound body, to experience third-dimensional life here on planet Earth. And the Piscean longs for something more beautiful, more divine, more exquisite, particularly when Venus is in Pisces. Okay, you can have your cake and eat it. First of all, when the sun is in Pisces, which it is once a year, you can take that to the bank. And then you're empowered. Venus is in Pisces, and that is love, and you are able to not only be the love that you like, because Pisces likes make-believe. Why? Because it's ruled by Neptune. Make-believe. Remember, build a castle in the air. When you're dreaming, you don't want to be disturbed. When you meet somebody, Pisces, when Venus is in Pisces, you may just feel that they are larger than life. They are your dream come true. And that castle in the air that you build is for them. And if you put them on a pedestal, you're setting yourself up for hurt and disappointment. And that is when you will move from the divine idealist to the poor, pitiful, sad, unhappy, escape person. because you've been hurt by your own wishful thinking. Now, Venus in Pisces can deliver exquisiteness. What you want to keep in mind is that balance in everything really works. You meet somebody who seems too good to be true, they probably are on some level. And the Piscean then, who's been disappointed and disappointed, moves into martyrdom. Pisces is so beautiful because it will dedicate itself to a cause in which it believes. And my suggestion to Pisces is choose your causes wisely, because you get carried away with a cause. You want to dedicate yourself to something greater and larger and more spiritual than yourself. That is exquisite. And check the fine print in the contract. You know what I mean? If it seems too good to be true, get your Capricorn friend in there to read the contract. Whether it's a literal contract or some idea you've got. You want somebody who is grounded and will not steal your dream, but will advise you realistically. I hope I'm making sense. You don't want to give up your dream, and you don't want anyone stealing your dream. You want someone to help you implement your dream. You come up with a dream. Let them implement it. And then work with that person. You keep dreaming, they keep implementing. This is a great combo. Music and art. That's you. You love beauty in all of its forms. And when Venus is in Pisces from February 18th to March 19th, if you are a musician, an artist of any sort, because the Sun and Venus are both in Pisces, you will do your best work. Now, it doesn't mean you'll implement it right away, but you can create it, and it will last and bring great beauty, not just to you, but to anybody who sees it.